Proper maintenance is an important step to maximize your machine's productivity and efficiency. Let's look at how to change the engine oil filter on your CAT equipment. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Remember to always park your machine on a flat surface when performing maintenance, and make sure the engine is turned off. Today, we're working on a 299 D3, but the process will be similar if your equipment has a spin-on filter. Talk to your CAT dealer or refer to your OMM for specific instructions. You'll need to drain your engine oil first, so find the crankcase drain on the oil pan. Remove the panel found below the drain plug. Then remove the plug and drain the oil into a suitable container. Once that's done draining, reinstall the plug and panel. Find the engine oil filter and use a filter wrench to remove it. Apply a thin film of oil to the O-ring and install the new element. Hand tighten the filter according to the instructions, using the index marks as a guide. Finally, remove the fill cap and fill the engine with new oil. Make sure to check for leaks after the engine has warmed up. And it's good practice to cut into your used filter to check for debris. You can find instructions for that process in your OMM. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.